Yes, let's enjoy first this video.
The elephant is big and the mouse is small. The tree is big and the ant is small. The boy is big and the ball is small. The flower is big and the bee is small. The earth is big and the men are small. And that's what makes us all. The elephant is big and the mouse is small. The tree is big and the ant is small.
Wow, I hope you understand what we are going to do. Who will tell me? Big? Small? Yes, today we will find smaller objects, okay? Yes, let's see this. Your Maths Excel book, page number 106. Some things take up less space than others. Look carefully at each pair. Which one is smaller? Circle the smaller object. Yes, you will find the smaller object. First, I will show you some different objects. Can you see? This is big, this is small. This is big, this is small. Okay? And this is big glass and this is smaller. And we can see, we can put the smaller one into the bigger one. It can fit easily. Yes. A big book and a small book. A big book and a small book. See? Here you can see a small brush and a big brush. Small brush and a big brush. Okay, now we will find only the smaller objects today. Here, the first one is already done. It's a big apple and a small. Can you see? It's already circled. Here, a big caterpillar and a small caterpillar. Here we are going to circle the smaller objects and then you color it green. A big box and a small box. Which box we are going to circle? This big? No, the smaller one. A big book and a small book. So we are going to circle smaller object. A big pineapple and a small pineapple. You will circle the smaller one. You color this one yellow and this one green. A big turtle and a small turtle. We are going to circle smaller one. A big bag and a small bag. Which bag we are going to circle? Big bag? Smaller bag. Yes, well done my dear students. A big can and a small can. We are going to circle the smaller one. Okay, and don't forget to write down the date here. Always remember, today is 25th June 2020. Okay, the next day, it is also, don't forget to write down the date here up. You can write down here date today. Now, the next day is 26th June 2020, Friday. Here you are going to do drawing one smaller. Okay, can you see this one? This is a big object and this is smaller. So you will Yes, it's a sausage. You like sausages? Okay, good. Color this one brown. Okay, here is a crayon. It's a big one. And you will draw the smaller one here. Make it beautiful like this. Okay, then it's a big lollipop. And you are going to draw a small lollipop. It's up to you. Okay, big ball. Here you are going to draw a small ball, or you can do a small circle, then color it beautiful. It's up to you. You can make it colorful. A big orange, and you are going to make a circle like this, then make it like this, and small dots, and make it small orange. This is a big banana, and you know how to draw. Okay, make it like this, then you will do it like this, and this is going like this. Okay, and you make it like this. Banana, color it yellow. A big can, and you can draw like this and go down, and one more line like this, and you color it. It's up to you. You color it green, red, it's up to you. A big glass. Okay, you are going to make it an oval shape like this, small. Then you can go one line down, the other little bit slant, and then you will join this two and make like this, and then you join to this and color this one. It's up to you. Now my dear students, there is one question here. Dear parents, kindly help your child to do this activity at home. Find some boxes of different sizes. Ask the children to put the smaller one into the larger one and notice the difference in sizes. Can you see here? Okay. There's a big box. Can you see? This is a big box, and here is a small box. Here is a small box. Open the larger one or the bigger one, and you will see this, the smaller one is going inside. Yes, can you see? It fixed easily. See, you know why it fixed easily? ये इसके अंदर अच्छे से क्यों fit हो गया? Okay, let's see. Because of the size. Because it's bigger in size and it's smaller in size. That's why the smaller one fit in the bigger one box. I hope, my dear students, you learned today's lesson very well. Have a good day and bye-bye.